Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, it's New Year's Eve, and before we slide into 2020, I just wanted to take a minute and thank all of you for the incredible support you've shown this channel. It's a very humbling thing for an older guy like me to be able to sit down at a table like this and talk about some exotic technology that I think is really interesting, only to find out that you guys think it's interesting as well. And the positive feedback and comments and emails we get from you on a regular basis every time we post a clip is incredibly inspiring to me. And it makes me want to do more. It makes me want to investigate new technologies and bring those to the channel. And again, as I said from the beginning, if you guys are finding value in what we're doing, I'm going to continue to do it. So thank you so much for all the support you've given the channel over the last year. I've gotten so many emails from flyers as young as 7, as old as 90 that are out there for the first time, putting drones up in the air and flying. And that's what this channel is all about. I'm a fan myself of technology, and I love flying drones. And if I can help other people feel more comfortable when they're flying or have a little bit more enjoyment when the drone goes up, that's really why I come down here and make these clips. So thank you so much for all the support you've shown the channel. Now on to 2020. We got a lot of big plans for the channel. The first one is going to be a broadcast we're going to do called Drone Valley Live. We're going to try and do it once a month. We're going to open it up to questions. You can dial in, you can ask the questions live. We'll do our best to try and answer them. We'll also take questions in advance of it that we'll do some research on and answer during the broadcast. But I want to try and give you a conduit to get the questions answered you need, and we'll do it on that broadcast. So look for those starting sometime in January. We're going to also open up a supporters page because a lot of people have asked us, how can they contribute and help support the channel so we can buy more gear, we can do more reviews, and we can, expand the channel's reach, so to speak. So we're going to open up a supporters page. If you want to contribute, that'll probably happen in January as well, but there'll be different levels of contribution that you can click into, and they'll have different perks built in. Some will have different icons that you get when you're dialing into the live broadcast. Other ones will have special emails you can use to get a hold of us directly, the Drone Valley team here, to answer some technical question you've got. And I think the highest level is even going to have a Drone Valley hotline where you can pick up the phone and call us directly to get those questions answered quickly, because so many people that are flying are having a hard time getting a hold of the manufacturers to get those questions answered. So we spend a lot of time in the field around this technology, and we probably can answer it for you pretty quickly. So look for that as well. We're also going to expand what we do in the vlogs. We're going to spend a lot more time out in the field and try to get at least 2 vlogs up a month, because I know you guys really enjoy those. Talking about new technology, talking about different things in the drone space around the legal ramifications and all the laws that are changing, just to keep you up to date with what's going on. We're also spending a lot of time developing new products that are Drone Valley branded. I love looking at engineering challenges that haven't been solved yet and coming up with products that make flying a little easier, a little bit more fun for you. So keep an eye out for those Drone Valley products. And then the last thing I'll say is, I want to spend more time out there flying. I know it takes me away from the flying experience to sit down at the bench and start talking about technology. So I'm going to try and do a better balance of getting out in the field with being here in the shop talking about that tech. And we welcome suggestions. So if there's something you want to see reviewed in the channel or some bit of technology you're interested in, we're going to do our best to do a review of it. So again, that's pretty much it for tonight. I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's Eve, and looking forward for the new year. I know you've got resolutions. I hope they all come true for you. But for me in general, I just hope that you're healthy, you're happy, and in the new year, you get all the health, happiness, laughter, and love that you and your family deserve. So thank you so much for tuning in. Happy New Year's. And until next time, happy flying.